Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 6. Okay, in commerce. We already discussed about chapter number 6. Okay, so types of, we already last video we have seen about that is types of companies. Only two under that is a classification on the basis of incorporation, classification on the basis of membership, a classification on the basis of liability. Okay, so classification on the basis of this is chapter number 6. That is a joint stock company. Topic is joint stock company. Joint stock company. Okay, so we already discussed about what is the meaning of two or more, the 50% from government, 50% private. That is called joint stock company. So two or more companies they join together. Okay, that is a partnership. Okay, so here what are the advantages of joint stock company? What are the disadvantages of joint stock company? Okay, now. Types of companies. Okay, types of companies on the basis of incorporation. Then incorporation is a chartered company and chartered statutory companies. Okay, statutory companies and association of non-profit organization. Okay, non-profit organization. These are the incorporation on the basis of incorporation. Okay, so on the basis of membership, that is a public, private. These are the on the basis of membership. Okay, the members are liability. Okay, members is limited by shares. Limited by guarantee, then guarantee and unlimited liability. Okay, unlimited liability. Okay, unlimited liability. Next, what do you mean by incorporation? So incorporation means that the chartered company. The chartered company first. What do you mean chartered company? The chartered companies, that is a special act. They follow the in king or queen. They only the head of that companies. Okay, that is called as, that is in British company, British East company. They followed that company only. They follow the rules and regulations of this company. Okay, that is in chartered companies. In statutory company means, so under he formed the special act. They formed the special act, and also they follow the articles of association. That is rules relating to day-to-day management. So, okay, that is called statutory companies. Okay, rules relating to day-to-day management. Day-to-day management means and rules and regulations of the company, and what are the duties of members, what are the rights and responsibilities of SAS and members. Okay, so these are the, and also they formed the special act. Okay, establishment of company, and they follow the rules and regulations of the company. Okay, so and for example LIC or SBI, then RBI, okay, IDBI, these are statutory companies. These are autonomous status. It need not to use word the limited. There is no limited. Okay, so LIC, GIC, RBI, SBI, and these are the statutory companies. Okay, the special act, they form the special act and follow the articles of association. Association of non-profit means, according to 2013, central government may give license. Okay, license form the company. For example, especially non-profit means and the football association, basketball association, cricket association, then science club, okay, then social recreation club, okay, then other recreation club, and old pensioners club. Okay, these are the association non-profit. Okay, so these are about to form as a limited company. Limited aims at the promotion of sports, commerce, arts, science. Okay. And also it applies the profit in promoting the service. Not there is no profit. They are not focused on profit, only services. Okay, and dividend to its member, some dividend. What mean dividend? Share. Okay. So next one, classification on the basis of membership. Private and public. Okay, private companies that is have 200 members, about 200 members. Membership maximum 200 members. Okay, can become the shareholders of this company. For example, that is for express is private limited. Okay, private limited sign, for example, Reliance private limited, then yes private limited. Okay, the private limited can be formed in three variations. One is private limited company, as small private limited company, as another person. Okay, person company. Okay, private limited company. Okay, so private limited company, there's a first one on the basis of the limited companies. Okay, types of companies. Okay, types of companies. Types of companies. On the basis of incorporation. That's first one. Then chartered companies. First one, chartered companies. Okay, second one, statutory companies. Third one, then association non-profit. Okay, association of non-profit. Association of non-profit. Okay, this is the first one. Next one, on the basis of membership. On the basis of membership. Okay, on the basis of membership. The membership in the sense of, that's a private company. Private company is simply known as a private limited. Private limited. So maximum 200 member of became a shareholders in this company. Next one, public company. Next one, public company. Public. So the public company, that is a public company means a company which not a private company. It's not a private company. Okay, so then it may be said to an association with, that is a maximum at least 7 members become shareholders, and the investor paid up capital 5 lakh. So okay, so invested 5 lakh. Some person became paid. This is a maximum paid up capital. Paid up capital in the sense of related to share. Okay, related to share. The investor 5 lakh. Okay, so the higher paid up capital. Okay, maybe recommend. Okay, and this is a subsidiary company which is not a private. It is subsidiary. So the subsidiary company is not a private company. Subsidiary company means that is a 50% some for example H and S Limited. H company is a holding company. H company is take over 50%, 51% more than share from the S Limited. So yes, H company is the holding company. S company is the subsidiary company. Okay, so this is the subsidiary company. Okay, so and it's not easy to transfer rights or shares. Okay, it's easy to transfer rights, but here easy to transfer rights transferability of the shares. Okay, next one, classification on the basis of liability. Classification on the basis of liability. On the basis of liability. Okay, on the basis of liability. Okay, first one, company limited by shares. First one, company limited by shares. Okay, the show company limited by shares. The first one, the second one, that is a limited by guarantee, unlimited company. Limited by guarantee, unlimited company. Okay, second one, limited by guarantee. Limited by guarantee. Some limited by guarantee. Limited by guarantee. Okay, third one, unlimited liability. Unlimited liability. Okay, limited by shares. Then the limited by shares, a company limited by shares is a company in which the liability of the members and these companies are shares may be transferred easily, the either public company or private company. Okay, this company, this limited by shares mean either public company or private company. Then have two features. One is liability of the members limited to some amount. They invested some amount. They invested some amount. Remaining the unpaid capital. Unpaid capital, that is called forfeiture shares. Okay, forfeiture shares. Okay, so he have to invest some amount. Okay, so 50,000 shares, 5 lakh or 1 lakh, he invested some amount. Okay, the remaining maximum 5 lakh means, so 1 lakh means 4,000 is a unpaid capital. Okay, 4 lakh is unpaid capital, and such liability can be enforced either some lifetime of the company, lifetime during the that is a 10 years or 20 years, that is a lifetime of the company, and limited by guarantee. The guarantee means company limited by guarantee is a company in which the liability of its members, il memorandum to such an it's a following memorandum association, memorandum that the rules and regulations of the company, day-to-day management of the activities of the company, and they contribute assets of the company, generally promotion, that is art, science, religion, on the basis of religion. Okay, so this is limited by guarantee, some guarantee. Limited by some guarantee. Okay, assets, he invested some assets. Okay, guarantee. Unlimited liability means they easily then also there is no limit, there is no limit on the liability loss of the company. Okay, the investors some assets, the investor they will take responsibility of the shares loss also. Okay, that is called as unlimited. They have no they easily give some loan to the some other third parties. Okay, that is a creditors. Okay, next one, classification on the basis of control. On the basis of control, classification on the basis of control. Okay, so the next one, on the basis of control. On the basis of control. On the basis of control, the government companies, the first one, government companies, and the government companies and holding companies, then subsidiary companies. These are the classification on the control. Okay, first one, government companies, B1, holding companies. Government company, the government, for example, Forest Heavy Electrical Limited, then oil companies, then state Steel Authority of India. இதெல்லாம் என்ன அப்படின்னா பப்ளிக் இந்த கம்பெனிஸ் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா இவங்களுக்கு ஒரு சடன் they have certain control, certain rights and duties. Okay, 50% less than அவங்க என்ன பண்ணா ஒரு 5 lakh இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணி வச்சிருப்பாங்க. அந்த 5 lakhல 51% of paid up capital இருக்கணும். Okay, so then only he became the member of the that company. Okay, so that is the government company. Holding company is next one. C, that is a subsidiary companies. Subsidiary companies. Okay, a public enterprise incorporated. So under the Act 1956, in Indian Companies Act 1956, the government companies are a government company. So it defines 51% of paid up. Totally the 5 lakh or amount is the paid amount invested in these shares. So amount, that is amount of 5 lakhs, 15% of the, that is a paid up capital. Okay, less than 15% paid up capital, that is called government companies. That is called government companies. Next one, on some of the features. What are the examples of government companies? So the government, the public enterprise incorporated under the Indian Companies Act. Okay, these companies are owned and managed by the control of state government. These companies are owned and control managed by the state government. Okay, then 51% of paid up capital. For example, 5 lakh means among the 5 lakh, that is 15% of the investors some amount. Okay, and these these companies are held by central government, in a state government, and partially state or partially central. This is called, okay, this is called classification on the basis of incorporation, basis of control. Okay, so next one on the basis of holding companies, on the basis of holding companies. Okay, the holding companies and subsidiary in government companies also subsidy, some subsidy என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா subsidy government வாங்குவாங்க. Okay, shall also treated as a government company. A subsidy company also treated as a government company. These companies registered as private limited. These companies registered holding company na, these subsidy companies also private company. These companies registered also private company. Okay, so steel, for example, Steel Authority of India, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. Okay, these are the government companies. Okay, these are the government companies. Okay, so holding companies. Holding means as per the section, as per the section 87, 2 of 87, subsidiary companies. Okay, subsidiary company is controlled by the holding company. Okay, relation to the another any company, that is a holding company. Okay, so for example, H company hold more than 50% of equally share from the S Limited. So H company is a holding company, S Limited is a subsidiary company. Okay, this is called holding company and subsidiary company. Okay, so holding company and subsidiary company. Okay, next, classification on the basis of nationality. On the basis of nationality. Okay, on the basis of nationality. Okay, domestic companies. Domestic company, foreign company, domestic company, foreign company. Third one, multinational company. Multinational company. Okay, domestic company, foreign company, multinational company. Okay, multinational company. Okay, so domestic company means a company which not be termed as the company which not termed as the foreign company. It's not a foreign company. These companies follow some provision of the act. Okay, registered on the basis of domestic company. Domestic means inside the country. Okay, that is inside the country. That is called domestic company. Next, foreign company. Foreign company means a company which is incorporated in a country outside. That is a country outside. Okay, so in India, under the law of the India, so they follow rules and regulation of the company. After the establishment of business in India, they filled with the register of companies within 30 days. In case they particular foreign company, they are going to open in India, they filed documents must be filled with the register of company 30 days from date of establishment. 30 நாளுக்கு முன்னாடி 30 days முன்னாடி என்ன பண்ணணும், இங்கே பண்ணணும் அப்படியே 30 நாள் முன்னாடி இது என்ட்ரி பண்ணி ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், வாட் ஆர் த ஃபாலோயிங் important things followed in going to open foreign company? Certified copy of the chartered which company incorporated. Okay, and memorandum of association, they follow memorandum of what is memorandum of association? Rules and regulations. Okay, then date of establishment, date of incorporation, situation, that is the place of the company, name and address of the company. These are the memorandum of association. Okay, then list and director and secretary of the list and director. Who are the directors? So, okay, Mr. A is the director, Mr. B is the secretary of the company. So listed all the director, name and address of the residence of the that directors and other persons. Okay, directors and other securities. Okay, and full address of the companies. The full address of the companies. Full address of the companies. Then copy of the register that name register of the companies. They follow memorandum of association. Then date of company establishment. And that the director list out all the directors and secretary directors யாரா directors managers directors list out பண்ணனும். Then list out all the director registrants address of the company. These are the information given in documents. Okay, next multinational companies. Multinational companies, the huge industrial organization which operates more than one country, more than one. Okay, that is called multinational, more than one country. Okay, the result more than one country. Okay, more than one country, more than one country. Okay, more than one country. Okay, foreign country means that is the country outside, domestic inside the country. Okay, then they seek maximum profit, the maximum profit world over. Okay, maximum profit world over. Then also a domestic company or a foreign company can be a MNC, maybe a Marla. Okay, can be a MNC. Domestic company and foreign company can be a MNC. This is called. What are the examples of MNC company? Microsoft Corporation, Nestle, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Nokia. Okay, then International Business Machine, then IBM. Okay, these are the companies are multinational companies. Okay, next one. These are the types of first one on the basis of shares. Okay, on the basis of shares. Then on the basis of on the basis of incorporation, on the basis of membership, on the basis of member liability, then control, then nationality. Okay, so these are the classification of the companies. Okay, next I am going to start memorandum of association. Memorandum of association. Okay, memorandum. Okay, this is an important concept, important topic in joint stock company. Okay, memorandum of association, that is a MOA, that is a small abbreviation, MOA. Okay, so memorandum of association is a legal document. It's one of the 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 legal document. In the formation and registration of the process of limited liability. Okay, in the formation registration, formation, it's one of the legal document, very important point. It's one of the legal document. The formation and registration of the limited liability. Okay, limited liability. Okay, so and any act of the membership, said to the ultra virus and is not included. Okay, memorandum of association is one of the constitution, under the constitution. They follow under the Constitution Act. Okay, they follow under the Constitution Act. The document to filled with the government. Okay, so and also they produce document very legal ways. Legally they will get legal opinion from the government. Okay, so and also they filed legal document to the government. What are the contents involved in this memorandum of association? Okay, என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு பாருங்க. ஒரு memorandum of association என்ன அப்படின்னா லீகல் டாக்குமெண்ட். இது ஒரு லீகல் டாக்குமெண்ட். ஒரு ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் பண்ணதுக்கும் ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷன் ஃபார்மேஷன் பண்ணதுக்கும் ஸோ தே யூஸ் தட் பர்டிகுலர் டாக்குமெண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ இதில் என்ன அப்படின்னா இது வந்து ஒரு சம் கான்ஸ்டியூஷன் ஆக்டை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறாங்க அண்டு இது வந்து ஒரு ப்ரைமரி ஒரு டாக்குமெண்ட்டாக சொல்கிறாங்க. இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ரைமரி டாக்குமெண்ட்றாங்க. ஓகே, வாட் ஆர் த கண்டென்ட்ஸ், வாட் ஆர் த இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் திங்ஸ் இன்வால்வ்டு இன் த memorandum of association? First one, name class. So name class. So name class. First one, name class. What are the contents? First one, name class. What do you mean name class? The name class requires requires the state and legal and recognize the name of the company. Legal recognize the name of the company. Okay, legal and recognize the name of the company. Legal and recognize. Okay, legal recognize. Acceptance by the government. Okay, acceptance by the government. Legal and recognized. Okay, legal and recognized. Okay, legalized. Okay, so legal recognize all the important documents filled in the name class. Okay, name class requires a legal and recognize the name of the company. Okay, so the company name is to be registered on the basis of company name. Okay, so company name. Next one, situation class. Situation class. First name register பண்றாங்க, then situation. What is situation? That is the area, place. Okay, so registered office class requires physical location of the country. This is a physical location. This is called physical location. First one, legal recognize the company, the name of the company. Then situation, physical location of the company. It requires the register in the office. Then legally, register office should be establishment commencing business activity. Establishment commencing business after the situation class. Establish and commencing business activities. ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் ஏரியாவை அக்வை பிளேஸ் வந்து ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணுறாங்க. தென் ஆஃப்டர்வர்ட்ஸ் தே ஸ்டார்டட் த பிஸ்னஸ். ஓகே, தே ஸ்டார்டட் த தட் இஸ் ஆல்ரெடி எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்மெண்ட் த கமென்சிங் த பிஸ்னஸ். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் அப்ஜெக்டிவ் கிளாஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் அப்ஜெக்டிவ் கிளாஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அப்ஜெக்டிவ் கிளாஸ். Objective class requires to summary of main objectives. Main objectives means the to attain the maximum growth, maximum profit, satisfy the customer wants. Okay, so this is the main objectives of that particular companies. Okay, that is the objective class. Okay, so objectives should be free of any provisions, declaration that is a contraventions or law or public good. On the basis of public relationship, on the basis of public the party company will create a public image. Okay, so that is the main important, that is the objective, on the basis of objectives. Okay, next one, liability class. Next one, liability. What is a liability class? The liability class requires the state the extent to which shareholders, that is liable, so particular liability, debt obligation, இவ்வளோ தான் கடை வாங்கணும், இவ்வளோ தான் ரூல்ஸ், இவ்வளோ தான் வந்து அவங்க வந்து கடை வாங்கிக்கலாம் shareholders. Okay, so that is the liability class. Liability class இவ்வளோ தான், that is a limited liability. Okay, so that is a limited liability. The particular shareholders wants to get any loan. Okay, so that the particular company will give some limited amount to the persons. Okay, it's a limited. That amount are listed. That amount, that rules and regulations of giving loan. That information listed in your memorandum association. Okay, so then capital class. The capital class also requires how much capital invested in this business. Different categories. Okay, minimum value of per share. ஒரு ஷேருக்கு எவ்வளோ விலை? 10 ரூபா, 10 rupees or 20 rupees. ஓகே, இதை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா memorandum association is the 6 classes. One is name class, situation class, then objective class, then liability class, next one capital class, next one capital class. Capital class. Class means that is related to act, that is related to object, that is provisions. Okay, terms of provision act. Okay, some rules and regulations. Okay, legal. Next one association class. And the association class means articles of memorandum of association willingly associate or forming the company. Okay, so the 7 members are signed in memorandum of association. It requires 7 members. It requires 7 members. Okay, 7 members. 7 members sign in that particular document, particular memorandum of association. That is called very important thing in the association class. Okay, association class. 7 members sign பண்ணனும், then only the documents are valid. Okay, okay, so association class. Next one, next important topic, articles of association. Articles of association. Okay, so next we are going to see about that articles of association. The articles of association is one of the document that contains the purpose. It's the articles of association. Okay, articles of association. Articles of association. Articles of association is a document. This one I already also document. This is a purpose of the company as well the duties and responsibilities of its members. Those who are going to join member, the company should follow, that is frame the rules and regulations of the company, the rights and duties and rights and responsibilities of the members, that is listed in the document. That is called articles of association. Okay, so purpose of the company as well as the duties and responsibilities. Duties and responsibilities. Okay, duties and responsibilities is one of the document. But memorandum the legal document is one of the document. Duties and responsibilities. Responsibility of a member. Okay, so and also this the documents which need to be filled with the register of companies. Okay, this is one modern manner of the which company business is carried on the basis of Companies Act. The is on the basis of Companies Act. Okay, that's all. Okay, so what are the internal rules and regulations of the company? They listed all the internal rules and regulations of the company in this document. These are the articles of association. Okay, next class we are going to see about what are the contents of articles of association. Okay, thank you for listening to my video. Thank you so much.